Huawei is making waves once again, and this time it's about something even more substantial, literally. Following the launch of a foldable smartphone, a trifold handset, and even a foldable laptop, Huawei is now speculated to be developing a foldable tablet. Yes, you read that correctly. Huawei is reportedly gearing up to unveil a brand new foldable MatePad tablet, potentially before the end of this year. If this proves accurate, it would mark another daring move in Huawei's mission to transform every mainstream tech category into a foldable format. The revelation comes via a renowned Chinese leaker, Digital Chat Station, known for accurate Huawei predictions. As per their most recent update on Weibo, Huawei is actively developing a foldable tablet. While specific specs remain under wraps, this is the most compelling indication yet that such a device is underway. Given Huawei's recent foldable milestones, the concept doesn't sound far-fetched. The brand has already made clear its ambition to push the limits of innovation and practicality. Let's pause to reflect on Huawei's progress in the foldable tech domain. We've witnessed the sleek Huawei P X, a flip-style foldable phone with a unique design. That was followed by the Mate X6, a book-style foldable handset loaded with flagship-level features. Huawei didn't stop there. They introduced the Mate X-T, a trifold smartphone that unfolds into an expansive 10-inch panel. Most recently, they debuted the MateBook Fold Ultimate design, a foldable laptop that combines mobility with elite performance. It's evident that Huawei is on a determined path, aiming to make foldable form factors the industry's standard. But it's not only about flexible screens. Huawei's foldable devices also deliver advanced features and refined software experiences. From AI-powered image editing to the most up-to-date HarmonyOS version, these products embody complete tech innovation. That's why the buzz surrounding this rumored foldable tablet is catching fire among tech enthusiasts. Based on early leaks, the device might feature a 16:10 widescreen, ideal for streaming, multitasking, and productivity. Although the actual display size hasn't been verified, reports hint that it could be more compact and travel-friendly than typical tablets, enhancing portability. It might also include a secondary cover screen, enabling users to check alerts, control music, and answer calls without unfolding the main display. This echoes features from foldable smartphones and could boost everyday usability. Regarding aesthetics, no official renders or images have emerged yet. But judging from Huawei's previous foldables, we can likely expect a sophisticated, high-end appearance with refined hinge engineering. Huawei has already demonstrated its ability to produce robust yet elegant foldables, and this tablet will likely follow suit. There's also considerable anticipation about the user interface this foldable tablet might deliver. Given Huawei's consistent investment in HarmonyOS, it's safe to predict that the tablet will operate on an optimized version of the platform. This could mean enhanced multitasking support, fluid transitions, and widgets designed specifically for foldable UIs. Naturally, AI will probably play a crucial role in the experience. Huawei has been steadily integrating AI into its latest devices, offering everything from smart image enhancements to intelligent workflow suggestions. So it wouldn't be a stretch to expect AI-driven multitasking tools or more intuitive management for work and play. At present, no official timeline, price point, or technical specifications have been confirmed. But if the insider reports hold true, an official announcement could be just months away. One thing's clear, Huawei isn't hitting the brakes. From foldable phones to bendable PCs, and now potentially tablets, the company is reinventing our digital experience by reimagining device design itself. We'll be following this development closely, and we'll bring you updates as soon as more information becomes available. Whether you're a foldables enthusiast or simply intrigued by tech evolution, Huawei's upcoming foldable tablet is one to watch.